Hi guys, this has been our hotel room for 7 days. This is called Koko Hotels here in Tsukiji, Ginza, Tokyo, Japan. Good. Lightings are on your switch buttons are on your right when you enter the room. These are our bags. There's a big mirror here on your left. Hangers free. These are for spray. Wow. Bango. It's trash bins and it's currently full because we have been buying some stuff. There's my wife busy packing. My son busy chatting. Because I booked for 3 adults family room. So they gave us 2 single beds and 1 sofa bed. Imagine ako pa yung malaki, ako yung nasa sofa bed. Yan a sofa bed nga. Because I love to be by the window so I can see outside. This is our view. That's a park, guys, with the trees. This is Hamariki Park. Very beautiful park. It's about 15 minutes walk. And you won't get bored because along the way you will see a lot of things. It's just that when we went there, it was raining. Nevertheless, we had fun and we took some videos, a lot of videos and pictures, of course. On my left, you'll see the clean river. I forgot the name. Tall buildings. And that's the parking, guys. Bus parking going to the Tokyo station. It's very convenient, guys. It's just about 20 minutes from our hotel to Tokyo station. And that building, there are restaurants down there. Few steps away from our hotel. And there's telephone. There's a big television here that we never used because we were busy with our phone.
Very nice, very accessible.
3 cups for 3 persons, 3 people. Of course, there's safe box here. I've never used this as well. And what is this? Oh!
Personal care.
Why we didn't put our drinks over?
Meron tayong
There's a water heater, of course. Time. You know, I have been watching vlogs about Japan, about their concerns on the size of the room, etc. But for us, I'm okay with this. Being with my family, I love the convenience here because it's near also Family Mart and some restaurants and ramen also. So this is good, guys. Check their prices. It's not cheap, but it's just worth it. You know, you pay for the convenience also. Say bye, guys.
Bye! Sayonara! Thank you, Japan.
Are you happy?
Arigatou gozaimasu. I'm very happy.
This has been our 1 week residence here in Tokyo. And bye also from Tiger. He's been still sleeping now. Bye. Oh, he's awake. Traveler Tiger.
Swerte, tiger.
Bye bye.